Hi there, in this video I want to show you how you can load and save RSV files using LibreOffice Calc. First, open the program and go to Tools, Extensions and click on the Get More Extensions online link. This will lead you to the extension page on LibreOffice.org. Now enter RSV into the search box and it will list the RSV Calc extension. Click on the Download Latest button and open it with LibreOffice. Proceed with the OK button. Restart LibreOffice. And now the extension is installed. The extension is written in Java, so please make sure that a Java runtime environment is installed. Now let's create a small file. Now click File and Save. Choose the RSV type in the drop-down, enter a file name and click Save. When saving as an RSV file, not all the information that could be stored within a normal ODF spreadsheet file can be saved with RSV, like the formatting and other, so we have to confirm here our decision to use RSV. And now we have written our first RSV file. Let's close the program, go to the Explorer, double-click on the file and open it with LibreOffice Calc. And here we have our content again. Other than with a CSV file, there's no import dialog required.